in 2 days, this video has gotten 134k views. That is massive. In this video, I'm going to show you why your videos are not getting views and why your videos are getting lesser number of views. It might be due to this issue that you are not creating the kind of content, the kind of topics that people are interested in. I'm going to show you the kind of topics that you should be creating your videos about. The kind of stories that you should be writing should be something that people are interested in. Don't just write a story or create a video that people are not interested in. So with this, we are going to see a practical example of the kind of topics that you should write your story about. And this strategy is the same strategy that bigger channels on this African folktales are making use of, and they are getting all the views that you are supposed to be getting. Now let's go to our computer and let me show you the kind of stories that you should be writing about. Let's take a look at this particular channel. The name of the channel is Auntie Annie's Wisdom Tales. If you observe, if you see this channel, you will see that this channel uploaded 47 videos and is at 265 subscribers. If you come down, you will notice that these kind of stories are not stories. Maybe the kind of the stories might be interesting, but the thumbnails and the title of our stories is not inviting. It's not making people click on our video. And that was why I talked about how to get views using title and thumbnail. If you watch my previous video, you will learn more about this. After watching this particular video, you can go ahead to watch that previous video. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Now let's move on. If you let's take a look at this other video, this particular one, this fourth video on the first line here. The video title is "My mother-in-law made my life hell until I did this." Until you did what? The title of the video is not something that people will want to watch. Then also the thumbnail of this video. Then let's come down and let's see the first video on this channel. The first video on this channel is 4 months ago. The video got 80 views. The video was about see how the disobedient girl lost the prince to her twin. So she has already given everything out and people will not like to watch the video again. On the title it said jealousy and anger made her. You can see that. So it's not something people will want to watch. Then if you take a look at the second video here, it says greedy sister wanted all the leaves to herself. It's not something people want to watch. Just follow me along with this video. I'll tell you the kind of videos you should make and the kind of titles you should write. Now let's go back and check another video. So if you see this channel, you will notice something. There is a pattern to the kind of story this person is writing about. And these are the kind of stories that people want to read, that people want to watch, and they want to listen to. Let's take a look at this particular video. And the thumbnail of the video also is inviting. You understand that? This video is talking about watch this before sending your daughters to school. You can see the title of this video. Then in 2 days, this video has gotten 134k views. That is massive. So when you see this, you will notice something. The thumbnail of this video is erotic, something that I don't know how to explain that, but you can just see the thumbnail of this video. Then the title of the video is saying watch this before sending your daughters to school, which is talking to most parents. Then when you check the thumbnail of this video, you also notice that it's exposing female body and all that, and most people like to see something like this, so they will quickly click on this video. At the end of this video, I will now explain the type of content you should create. So but we just have to see what we are looking for. Then the second video here says her tongue won't stop growing, because you can see from my previous video I talked about how to write this pattern of title to attract viewers to your video. This title stops at because. The sentence is not complete, which will make you want to click on this video. our tongue won't stop growing because what? That is what is going to make you want to click on this video. And also the thumbnail of this video is showcasing the tongue of the lady which they are talking about. And the second video here says she cut off her husband this to make her soup. I can't not mention that, to make her soup. And on the thumbnail of this video, they are showcasing hot dog, a woman holding a pot of hot dog with sauce or something like that, which is showcasing what the title of this video is talking about, to make hot soup. So people would like to see this kind of videos. Now let me explain to you the kind of videos that you should create and the kind of topics that you should talk about. If you go to this channel, analyze how the kind of topics that these people they are talking about. This cut across all the big channels that you see that are making views and getting high number of subscribers on these African folk tales. They are the same pattern they are following. I've observed several channels and this is the same pattern that they are following, the same thing that they are doing, just that they are different stories. Now let's take a look at this. If you see this kind of videos, they are talking about other erotic issues, marital issues, controversial issues, issues that relating to gossip. It's not something that you talk about the tortoise moving from street to this. People don't want to watch that. That was back then that you were still little that they tell us those stories. Now people want to see some things like this because of the internet world. People want to see some of these kind of videos. So when you write videos on this kind of topics, you are going to get views, you are going to get subscribers. Even later maybe you will deviate from this, but as you are building your channel, you should consider doing this kind of topics. So you can just go through, you see the name of the channels that are mentioned in this video. You can just check them out, see the kind of topics they are talking about, and you can now model them, create your own videos according to some of these topics, and go deep into this kind of topics. Then you will see your channel getting views, see your channel getting subscribers. Now creating this kind of topic is not enough. You will have to know how to write a good title on this kind of videos. If you haven't watched the video where I discussed in detail with practical example about how to write a good title for your video so that people are going to watch your video, then do well to watch that video from here, or you can check the link in the description of this video. You will see a video on that where I talked about how to write attractive title for your folktale videos that will make people click on your video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.